Okay, we got a truck 2020 Isuzu. We got a transmission. Okay, we got a transmission light on. Okay, I want to see. Okay, you see the transmission. Okay, the truck is losing power. Okay, now we came to the computer, and I mean it's Isuzu 2020 using Allison transmission NQR. Okay, so that's right here. Let me see. Where is the mount? Okay, here we go. Okay, that's the code right here. You see? Transmission filter maintain requires. Okay, most of the times it's right here. It's you have to do the service the transmission. But this truck has low mileage, so which is the only thing we have to do is reset. We check the fluid. The fluid is okay. Now we're gonna reset that transmission. Okay, we're gonna go actions. We're gonna reset. It's right here. All your life reset. Okay, so we do that one, and then we click yes. Okay, so we wait. Now the reset all your life, it's successful. So now we go to the second one. See? Okay, now this one. We click right here. Okay. Now we do the last one right here. We do this one. Sure you want to reset? Yes. Okay. Now we do the other one. Too. Okay. Zero. So I'm doing reset the whole transmission. Okay. Let's do that one. Okay. Okay, so we're doing the third one. Okay, we're doing the number 6. Okay. And now we click close. Now you see the code is not active no more, it's inactive. So now we go ahead to clean it out the code. Okay, so now we're good to go. Okay, so that's how you reset all your life on the transmission. Okay, so we go over here. Now you see the light is gone. Okay. No more lights. Okay, so we good. So that's how you reset any Allison transmissions. Okay, any Allison transmission lights. You can read the codes. You can do anything right here, even though you can reprogram. So okay, following important. This is NQR. Okay.